Good morning, ka-YouTubers. Good morning, guys. I'm here, guys. This is organic beef. Ground beef. Organic ito, guys. So, ang aking gagawin is I'm gonna mix it up with organic eggs. I'm gonna mix it up with organic eggs. So, instead of making plain scrambled eggs, I'll mix it up with beef. I-mix natin siya ng beef, ground beef. So, ayan guys, mix natin siya ng ground beef. There you go. A little bit of seasoning.